Let's create a file sharing server in Termux. You just have to install Cloudflare and PHP. Download the script using wget. Now do the modifications accordingly. Now edit the file as shown in the video. Delete the same line by pressing D twice on your keyboard. Do the changes accordingly. Make sure this directory need to be there in your home directory. If you already have some files in it, delete those. By using VI text editor, you can comment, uncomment multiple lines in few clicks. For beginners, I would suggest you to do it manually. Please join our Telegram channel to get access to such videos. We have executed the script. All the files in the present working directory will be shared using this link. Open the link in the browser. This is the file we have in the present working directory. Let's create another file and share it. Rename the file, provide it execution permission, and let's create a soft link so that we can execute this file from anywhere in Termux. To get the same profile file, use EMSF tool to download everything exactly I have in front of you.